Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. I've been working on my experimental horror film, SIJ. It's all about choice for about a year now. And I'm happy to say it's working out quite well. I have found that I do enjoy single 8 more than I do super 8. Alright, or 8mm and the 16. The single 8 is simply much more of an intelligent cartridge, the way it's constructed, and format, including the camera, of course. And, however, there's one big catch. With the single 8, the processing, if you send it off, is going to be more expensive. This is because the Remjet on the film, the older the film, which now this is vintage film here that I'm using right here, the Fujichrome, you're going to have to remove that by hand. It's going to be more difficult. If you send it off, it's going to be very expensive, to do so. However, there are many of us who are shooting on single 8 that you can take the Super 8 cartridge and use a change bag, open this film, cut off a foot of the single 8 film, excuse me, and in the change bag load it into one of these cartridges. Okay, you can do it that way. But do remember, either way it's still going to be expensive, okay? But not as expensive if you just learn how to do this yourself. Alright, it's just going to be difficult to rub that Remjet off. Okay, if you purchase a single 8 camera, okay, you're gonna have to learn how to do everything yourself. So just to make that clear, the Remjet will have to be removed, and it's more difficult to remove that Remjet the older the film, whatever film, with Remjet. Okay, so just to make that clear. All right, but it is a more superior format with the single 8. You will enjoy it if you do get it and get the hang of it. Okay? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.